Hi everyone and welcome. So in this video we are going to set up the BACnet client in the Neuron node for data acquisition from any BACnet IP device. Okay, so if you have any BACnet IP device running in your network or running in your building, or if you have any BACnet sensor and if you want to read the data from your BACnet sensor, then how can you read it in the Neuron node? Okay, so we are going to see that in this video. So I don't have any BACnet IP device which is physical, but I have BACnet IP simulator in my system. So I'm going to launch the room controller simulator. Okay, so you will get this simulator with the Yabe application. The Yabe is spelled like YABE. You can install the Yabe application and you can have this BACnet room controller simulator. So this is the BACnet IP device. So we are going to read data from this BACnet IP device. Okay, so let's see how you can read the data of this BACnet IP device in the Neuron node. So here is my node up and running, and we are going to log in here. After logging, you have to go to the config section, and in the modules you have to create a new module for your BACnet IP client. So I'm going to click here modules, and then we are going to create new module, which is our BACnet client. Okay, and here in the module type we are going to select BACnet client and we will save this. After that we will go to the module, we will create a channel. Okay, so you have to click on this new channel. It's our BACnet IP channel. Okay, now we have to focus on the configuration part of our BACnet IP channel. So enable data collection. Yes, we want to collect the data from BACnet IP device. Now you have to select the proper network interface to connect with the BACnet IP device. So you can see the network interface I have selected is my localhost network interface and the port is 47808. Now if I click here on the device, okay, and if I try to browse the device, let me again click on the okay, why it is not working? Because we have to save it. Okay, now if I click on the three dot and if I click on the browse device, then it will try to browse the BACnet IP device across the network, but you can see we don't have any BACnet IP device. Okay, so we cannot create or we cannot add any BACnet device. So what you have to do is whenever you launch this room controller simulator, it will be accessible via the different network interface. Okay, so you have to select the network interface according to that. So you have to click here, and I'm going to use the Wi-Fi network interface. Okay, so I'm going to select on this IP address, and then I'm going to click on the select, and I'm going to save it here, and then we are going to browse the devices. So here you can browse the device, and here you will see the room controller simulator device. You can see 1867817, and this is the device ID of our room controller simulator. So I can click on this and I can click on this create button. Okay, so the device is added and we don't have to do anything here. Okay, it has auto browse the device. Now you don't have to do anything, you just have to save it. It will restart the module, that is fine. Okay, now we have added the device, that is done. Now what we have to do is we have to create a tag for that device. So for that we have to go to the tag section here in the Explorer, and here you can see from the previous video we have two groups, Modbus and OPC UA. Now we are going to create a new group which is for BACnet IP, and here we have to add the tag. So you have to click on this three dot, you have to click here new tag, and you have to provide the name like tag 1. Okay, and after that you have to set the property of your tag 1. So if you know that what tag is available with my device, then you can set the tag name, you can set the tag property. But if you don't know, then you can do trial and error for that. Okay, but I know that what my tag is, so I'm going to rename it as indoor temperature. Okay, the type is number and the format is decimal precision 2. Okay, the read only tag, that is fine. Now I'm going to the source and I'm going to enable this tag. Okay, the module type is BACnet client. Okay, the module name is BACnet underscore client, which we have created. So BACnet underscore client, scan rate 1000 milliseconds, so it will be 1 second. So it will poll the data or it will update the data at every 1 second. After that Yeah, you have to provide the device detail, the instance, okay, the type and the property identifier, everything. Suppose if you don't know, then you can click on this search button. It will provide you the BACnet device, okay, which you have connected. So you can expand that BACnet device, and let me close it. We are going to read the indoor temperature values. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand, and here you can see the indoor temperature. So I'm going to expand that again, and we are going to read the present value. Okay, what is the actual value of this tag? So that is we are going to read. So I'm going to click here, and you can see the present value is available here, and the value type is real, and the property is present value. So I'm going to just select that. Okay, you can see automatically it will fill every detail. And then after, what you have to do is you just have to save this, and you can navigate to the real time to view the tag value. So you can click on the BACnet, and here you can see 20.60, 20.70, every 1 second it will update. Okay, 90, 20. Okay, suppose if you don't have any update for that tag, then it will skip that update, but for every second it will update. Now if you want to add some other tag, okay, so what you can do is you can again go to config section. Okay, you can click on this BACnet IP, and here you can add new tag, and it is our water temperature. Okay, water temperature, WATER, and I'm going to configure this tag. So this is the decimal precision 2 read-only tag, and in the source I'm going to enable this tag. This is the BACnet client module, and the module name is BACnet_client, and the scan rate is 1000 millisecond, and the property we are going to select from here, so temperature.water, and I'm going to select the present value property. Okay, and we will click on the select button, and then we will save it. So that's it, everything is done. Now I can go back to the real time, and I can have the value of my second tag, which is water temperature. Okay, so this is how you can connect with any BACnet device. Okay, and then you can have the value of that BACnet device in the real time. Now you can do one more thing. You can go to the config section. In the tag, here you can save this to tag in the CSV file. Okay, and you can open this file, and you can edit this CSV file, and then you can re-upload that CSV file using this load CSV option. Okay, so once you have this CSV file here, okay, you can edit the tag here. Okay, suppose if you want to add some other tag, okay, so you can add in the 6th row with each value. Okay, you can copy paste the values from above row. You can modify few things like instance. Okay, and what you want to read is present value or out of I'm sorry, why it is not working, I don't know. You can select which property you want to read, and everything you can set up here, and then you can pass this CSV file to here, and you can load that CSV file using this option, and you can have multiple tag with the single shot, so you don't have to create each tag one by one. Okay, so this is how you can connect with any BACnet device, and you can have data of your BACnet device in the Neuron node. So what exactly you have to do is you have to go to the config section first. In the modules, you have to create your BACnet client module. Okay, and after creating BACnet client module, you have to navigate to the BACnet client module. You have to create a channel first, and in the channel you have to select the network interface in which your device is visible. Okay, so if you click on this three dot, and if you click on the browse device, then for that network interface, if any device is available on that network interface, the device will be listed here. Okay, so you can select that device, and this detail will be automatically filled by this Neuron software. You don't have to fill that, and you can see your device here, room controller.simulator, and the properties or configuration things of your device. After you have added this device, you have to create a tags, and how to create a tag that I have shown you. You have to create a group for that, and then after you can click on this three dot, add new tag, and you can also export this tag list using this save CSV option. And after updating that CSV file with more number of tag, you can load that CSV, and you can have multiple tag in a single shot, and you can monitor all this tag using RIS real-time option. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt or any confusion, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Also, you can comment on this video. Also, you can send me a mail. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.